Carrier lifetime is an important parameter for semiconductor devices and materials. We need a convenience method for evaluation of carrier lifetime. And here, we introduce microwave photoconductivity decay, so-called micro-PCD. Micro-PCD is commonly adopted because it is a non-contact and non-destructive method. Another advantage of this method is insensitiveness to surface roughness, which allows the evaluation of materials of any structures. Demonstrating the procedure will be Takato Asada, a student from my laboratory.
To begin this procedure, prepare an N-type 4H silicon carbide epi layer. Using an ultrasonic washer, wash the sample with acetone for 5 minutes, followed by water for 5 minutes. Subsequently, use a nitrogen gun to remove moisture on the sample surface. Next, prepare 1 molar of sulfuric acid, hydrogen chloride, sodium sulfate, sodium hydroxide, or 1 weight % of hydrofluoric acid. Prepare an aqueous solution to be measured. Then pour the aqueous solution into a quartz cell. Transfer the prepared sample into the cell and immerse it into the aqueous solution. To prepare the measuring equipment, turn on the power supply of the 266 nanometers pulsed laser to excite the light source. Then set the laser mode on standby.